Hello everyone. Today's video tutorial is on the macOS and force quitting an application. Have you ever been working along and then all of a sudden the program you're using just doesn't respond? It doesn't let you close out. You can't click on anything, just do anything at all. This is a quick short video on what to do. It doesn't happen very often, but as I tell staff in our school district, a computer is a computer. macOS, I'm a big fan of it. I prefer it, but it still is a computer at its roots, and it still can have issues. So if you have a program that's not responding, there's a couple things you can do. The first is you can come down to your dock. So let's say Safari isn't responding for you. If you come over to the Safari icon and you right click on it, or you hold the control button down and click on it, if it's not responding, you'll actually see a not responding next to it, and you will see an option that says force quit. You can click on that. Now a lot of times it won't let you do that, because if it really locks up, it's going to really limit what you can do. And what you need to do in those cases is come up to this little Apple icon up here, and you want to click on that, and you're going to see this option that says force quit, and you want to click on that. You'll see a list of all the programs you have open, and if the program is not responding, you'll see next to the program not responding. So in that case, what you want to do is just click on the program, and you'll see the force quit icon highlights, and hit force quit, and it'll double check that you want to do that, and you'll be good to go. Now sometimes when you're in a program that's not responding, it won't let you even click on that Apple logo icon. So a quick trick is if you come down to your dock and just click on another program that's already open, it'll boot you into that program. Then it will allow you to click on that Apple logo where you can then force quit the application. And that's it. A real handy little feature, not something a lot of people always know about. On Windows, you have your Control-Alt-Delete option. That's the same method doing it on your macOS device. So don't forget to check out my site at adamontech.com, where you can submit suggestions or follow-up questions to these video tutorials. While there, you can read my writings that explore a number of topics in greater detail. You can also leave a comment below or hit me up on Twitter at twitter.com/adamontech. Don't forget to hit that like button below, and while you are doing that, also take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with my latest tutorials. So until next time, this is Adam on Tech, signing off.